and I welcome. But I give my opening inaugural address. Chairman's inaugural address to the board members, top-level management, entire staff of National OSP Detection and Response Agency, NOSDRA, on the occasion of inauguration of the board on 9th March 2018. Protocols. The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari GCON, Vice President Professor Yemi Osinbajo SAN, Senate President, the Civil Senator Bukola Saraki, the Honorable Speaker of the House of Representatives, Right Honorable Yakubu Dogara, the APC National Leader, Civil Senator Shiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Chairman of Progressive Congress, and his ESCO members here present, the APC National Vice Chairman Southwest, Shipio Akinyere, Chairman Senate Committee on Environment, the Civil Senator Lure Tinubu, the Chairman House Committee on Environment, Honorable Bina Shidoka, Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Barrister Boss Mustafa Square, Honorable Minister of Environment, present, His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Ondo State, Arakoni Odunayo Akeredolu SAN, His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Ondo State, Tinubu Senator Toy Ibukunamo FCA, His Excellencies, all APC governors or their representatives here present, Director General of NOSDRA here present, top-level management staff of NOSDRA here present, APC leaders here present, representatives of communities in the Niger Delta region here present, gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, all other protocols duly observed. I'm highly delighted to be appointed by Mr. President of the Federation as the board chairman of NOSDRA via a presidential order, so directive announced on 29 December 2017 and published in various news media across the nation. Today, 9th March 2018, marks the inauguration ceremony of the board members of NOSDRA, and I wish to use this medium to express my sincere appreciation to Mr. President and his vice for this leadership role bestowed on me and my other board members to reposition the agency for better performance in meeting its statutory responsibilities to the majority of Nigerians, those in the Niger Delta region. I wish to use this medium to welcome all members of the governing board of NOSDRA who are representatives of key ministries at directorate level whose appointment as board members of NOSDRA is statutory in line with Section 2B of NOSDRA Establishment Act 2006. I strongly believe that my humble self as the chairman of the board, along with other 17 board members drawn from various federal ministries not below the rank of director, and the Director General CEO of the agency as Secretary of the Board, have big challenges and roles to play to reposition the agency for better performance. Therefore, I want to state that this is a call to service by Mr. President to deliver on our mandate, to meet the aspirations and expectations of Nigerians for establishing this important agency at the issue, particularly the people of Niger Delta region, where oil spillage has been the order of the day in various communities over the years, without adequate compensation by the operators in line with international standards and best practices. To rise up to these challenges and make a big difference during our tenure as board members, through my leadership as chairman, the new board, among others, will, one, focus attention on staff welfare and development, because this is a key budget factor to be given priority attention to get things done in efficient ways to achieve better results for the agency. Two, reposition the agency for better performance of its statutory responsibilities. Three, pursue the present administration policy of zero tolerance to corruption. Four, develop policies that will lead to improved internal revenue generation from its activities to meet its loaded financial responsibilities for effective implementation of its statutory functions. Five, ensure strict adherence to provisions of NOSRA Act by operators in the oil industries for prompt settlement of communities affected by oil spillages now and in the past, in line with international standards and best practices. Ensure that NOSRA Act is enhanced with necessary amendments in the National Assembly for better delivery of its statutory functions to the nation at large. Ensure staff promotion and reorganization for better performance through effective training and development programs, both local and abroad. Ensure that trained professional staff are given responsibility in their specialized department within the agency for improved productivity and performance to move the agency forward, or to move the agency to greater heights of development. Ensure that working environment in NOSRA state offices across the nation, headquarters complex in Abuja, are conducive for better delivery of its professional services by members of staff at all levels. The board will also formulate policies that will lead to effective monitoring of Ogoni cleanup projects in line with the agenda of the present administration under President Muhammadu Buhari. In recent times, information at my disposal reveals that there are more than 40 oil spillages matters in various federal high courts within the Federation unresolved, which further heightens the tensions and pains experienced by our people in the Niger Delta region, such that it has now become a norm for international oil companies operating in the region to pollute the areas with impunity because of no adequate sanctions in line with international best practices and standards. The board, under my leadership, will do everything possible to stop further impunity in the Niger Delta region. The board will also, as a matter of priority, focus attention on how Bonga oil field oil spillage of 2011, Gears Amesi oil spill of 2009, among others, will be resolved out of court for settlement to be made to affected communities without further delay. Above all, the board, under my leadership, will ensure that there is equity and fairness among staff treatment, training and development to get the best out of its workforce at all times during our tenure as board members of NOSRA. Once again, I want to thank Mr. President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria for the confident repose on me and other board members to serve our great nation in this capacity, and we promise we shall deliver on our mandate. Finally, use this medium to seek the cooperation of the Honorable Minister of Environment, Director General, and all members of management of the agency for quick achievement of the goals and objectives of the agency to serve the country better in all ramifications. Once again, I say thank you all And I welcome all my colleagues, board members, to serve and to add value to the great nation Nigeria. Thank you and God bless you. Long live Federal Republic of Nigeria. Long live Nostra.
That was a very brave speech by the Chairman, Board of Directors of Nostra. Can we give him a round of applause again? A round of applause. Thank you very much, sir.